Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install and configure Filezilla FTP server on Windows 11. So I'm using Windows 11 operating system and my system is 64-bit. So first I will open the Google search bar and I will type download Filezilla server, and then I will go to this link. Just open this link and click download FileZilla server. Click this link and then I'm going to click this. I will download the free version. So click download and this is going to start the download process. It will take some time to complete. So just wait. After that, all you need to do is just click this exe file and just follow the installation process. Then click yes. After that, I will go and click I agree, and then I will click next. This is where it will be installed in my program files under this folder. And now I will click next and click next. Run service under a different, no, this is going to be the default. So I will click next. So here I'm going to set the password. So I will set the password as per my choice. So let's say, so this is going to be my password. Yeah, I've just set the password. Now I will click next and yes, click install. And this is going to take some time to complete. Just wait. Okay. After that, I will click close. Now I'm going to open. Okay, it has given me this interface. Now I will click connect to server. Here I'm going to provide the password which I have just set while installing this FileZilla server. So just provide the password and I'm going to click save this password and automatically connect to the server at startup. No, I don't want to click this option. I just want to click the first option. Click OK and then click yes, and look, successfully connected to the server. It is successfully connected. So now is the time to configure the FileZilla server. For that, I will go to the server and then I will click configure. And then afterwards, I will go in the users and then I will add a new user. So demo is the new user. And after that, I will go and I will provide the password. So this is the password that I'm providing, which I set while installing the FileZilla server. And then after that, I will go in the in the virtual path. So add a new path. I'm going to name this path as /demo, and then I will provide the native path. So the native path is going to be this one. So I've created the folder in my D directory staging. So I'm going to provide the native path. This is the mount point. Now I will click apply and I will click OK. We are done. Again, open configure. After that, go to FTP and FTP over TLS, and then go over here in the passive and click use custom port. So this is going to be my range. So I need these ports later in my video. So now I'm going to give the firewall access to this FTP server. So type Windows Defender firewall with advanced security, and then after that you will go in the inbound rules and then create a new rule, and after that click port and then click next, and then you have to select this option TCP. It is already selected, and then after that this option should be selected, and then you have to provide 21 comma followed by this port, this one, the first port, and then comma followed by the second port, and after that you will click next and then allow the connection. Click next. All other settings will be as it is. Click next and then name this as demo. Click finish. We are done with the access part. Now is the time to go and search for the IP. So open command prompt and run as administrator. Click yes and type the command ipconfig and press enter. Now you have to pick this particular IP address, IPv4 address. So now what you're going to do is open the FileZilla client. So FileZilla, type FileZilla, open the FileZilla client. So if you do not have this FileZilla client, what you can do is go to Google search bar and type FileZilla client for Windows 11, and then go over here and click download FileZilla client. And after that, this is the exe file, and then you have to click the exe file, and after that you have to click next, and the installation process is very easy. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to provide the IP address over here, IPv4 address. So just copy and paste the address over here. So the username is going to be demo. And the important thing that you have to take this into consideration, that go to users and then go over to demo, and you have to give the access mode. You have to give read and write access. Okay, it is already given. Click OK. Now I'm going to give the password. So this is the password which I set while installing the FTP server. So I'm going to provide it over here. Yes, port is 21. And now I'm going to click connect. And yes, save password. Click OK. OK. Yes, I'm connected. And this is the file name inside this directory. I hope you have gone through the process. At the end, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.